Have you ever cried during a movie, shed tears during a heartbreaking goodbye, or felt your eyes well up just from being overwhelmed with joy or sadness? That reaction, emotional crying, is something that's uniquely human. While many animals produce tears to lubricate and protect their eyes, humans are the only known species that cry due to emotions. But why would evolution give us such a visible and vulnerable response? Scientists believe emotional tears serve both physiological and social functions. Biochemically, emotional tears contain higher levels of stress hormones like ACTH and leukoenkephalin, suggesting that crying may help regulate the body's stress response. Think of it as the body's way of detoxing emotional overload. But there's a deeper, more social reason too. Emotional tears are a powerful nonverbal signal, a biological billboard that communicates vulnerability, sadness, empathy, or even a call for help. Unlike a growl or a roar, crying doesn't threaten, it invites connection. Babies cry to get their needs met before they can speak. Adults cry to bond, express deep emotions, or signal distress without words. Some experts even believe that the visibility of tears, specifically how they blur vision and stream down the face, might have evolved because they draw attention, making it easier for others to recognize emotional states and respond appropriately. And no, animals don't do this. Though some may whimper, vocalize, or act depressed, they don't shed tears over emotions. That doesn't mean animals don't feel. They clearly experience a range of emotions, but they simply lack the neurological wiring or evolutionary need to express those feelings through crying. Emotional crying is deeply tied to the human brain's complex emotional circuitry, especially the limbic system and the prefrontal cortex, which influence emotional regulation, social behavior, and self-awareness. Crying is often linked to empathy, another area where humans excel. When we see someone cry, it can trigger emotional mirroring and make us want to comfort them. In a way, crying builds bridges between people. But interestingly, crying isn't always welcomed. In many cultures, especially among adults, crying can be seen as a sign of weakness despite being a deeply human and healing act. It's raw, it's real, and that's exactly why it's powerful. Emotional tears remind us that we're not just thinking beings, we're feeling ones. No other species has evolved this physical expression of emotion, making crying one of the strangest yet most beautiful aspects of being human. So, the next time your eyes fill with tears, know this: you're experiencing a phenomenon that's deeply biological, uniquely social, and undeniably human.